Hey guys, so I put together this really quick and simple video on how to style your scarf 3 ways in the house. Otherwise, if you want to buy one of the turbans that I have on my head, check out the link below, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you know somebody that needs this video, go ahead and share that thing, girl. Share it. Okay, so what I have under here is this is just a wig cap that I got, I don't know, from some random store. This is not essential, but if you have if you're using a scarf that's got like material that will strip your hair of moisture, I would suggest getting one of these. So I'm gonna start off with one of these. I'm sure a lot of us have one of these scarves lying around in the house. I'm going to use this for my first demo. So, oops, I forgot to say, this, I fold my scarf in half. And then I'm going to just see if this is equal. Yeah, try to make it as equal as possible. And then tie it up. And I like to cover my ears. I feel like it looks a little bit more sophisticated. So it's just a simple knot there. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm just gonna put this over. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Okay, let me do it the other way. Yeah. Okay. Putting this over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck this in at the back of my head. So, tucking that in, like so. But this, just make sure you do this in front of a mirror, obviously, so you can see what you're doing. So that's the one side. And then I'm going to wrap this over. On the other side. And then tuck it in, like so. That is pretty simple, and obviously add some earrings to zhuzh it up, but this is where we're at. So number 2, I start off again with just a simple knot at the back. Then I'm gonna bring this up to the top. And I'm going to angle it, right, just smooth this out a bit so it's not too bulky in front. See? Then, smooth it out on the other side as well. Now I'm going to make another knot here. And then the trick is you're going to swivel it around like so, just for vibes. And then I'm going to tuck this in. Oh, wait, let me do the one side. I'm going to tuck this in so that you can see. Tucking this in at the back. Just make sure. And then I'm going to, so you can either just tuck it in there at the back, but I prefer for vibes again, just tuck it in here. And then I'm going to tuck this in here as well. Oopsie. and tuck this in on this side so it looks kind of symmetrical. Ooh. And then another version of this would be, just untuck this, would be tucking this in again at the back, like I did earlier. And then I'm going to tuck this in. Towards the back. Just need to feel that you get it all in there. See? Ooh, and balance. That is another way. See, there's just a few straddlies here. Okay, that is another version. Okay, so the next one, you're gonna need something extra. So I've just got this other head rack that I have. I'm just gonna wrap it around here, tuck it in, and prop it on my head. Okay, I've seen this quite a lot on social. I tried to do it myself and then this thing keep falling off. So what I'd suggest is that you get either, I have a bonnet here, or something else lying around in the house, maybe a small little scarf, then you're gonna tie it. I don't sell black ones anymore, black turban, black bonnets anymore. They're just too complicated because they let out color. So anyway, so this is what you're gonna need. Then I'm gonna take this scarf of mine, fold it a little bit, it's a little towards the end. Now place on my head over here, like so. Try to balance it out, and then what I'm going to do is folding it, and then when I bring it across, I'm going to make sure that I kind of get it neatly. I'll place it neatly like this, and then just going to bring it around, just popping this up a bit, and I bring it around. So you can either go crisscross like this to give it a vibe, or you can just make it straight. I prefer crisscross because it just looks a little bit more, gives more vibes. I love me some vibes. And then I'm just gonna tuck it in. I've seen some peeps that like the string kind of dangling because it also kind of gives vibes. It's completely up to you. I'm just tucking it into what's left here. And this is for more, drama. African Queen drama. I actually really like this one. Just tuck it in more. There we go. And that's on there. It's really on my head. I don't know if I'd put earrings with this because it just feels like a lot to me, but some of you guys are extra. So live your best lives. And yeah, that is number 3. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was useful to you, and make sure to like and subscribe and keep on watching.